morning everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Zizi. Today let's make low-carb yogurt parfait. For this simple recipe, the ingredients are yogurt of your choice, some different berries of your choice, chia seeds, almond chips, psyllium powder, and sugar alcohol. So let's start. Alright, let's first start with strawberries. After cleaning them, let's cut them into small pieces. Alright, so it's around 170 grams or around 6 ounces. So now transfer these strawberries into a single serving mixer cup. Add the rest of the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of psyllium powder. These are to thicken the whole texture up. And for sweetness, I am adding a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar alcohol. You can adjust the amount of sugar alcohol or your choice of sugar substitute to your liking. Now let's go mix. Let this mixture sit in the cup for a little bit so the chia seeds can expand. And for blueberry, it's even more simpler. Just put a cupful of these blueberries, 6.65 ounces. Now transfer it into another single serving mixing cup. Add chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, psyllium powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1/2 tablespoon of sugar alcohol. Let's repeat the mixing process. So since the blueberries have the more obvious skins, let's just do a more thorough mixing for this one. Same with the strawberries, since there are chia seeds which are going to absorb more moisture, more liquid in the next 10 to 15 minutes. So let's just be patient and let it sit. And then we'll be back soon. All right, these berry jellies are fully rested and fully expanded. Let's find containers to store them away for future use. However, the future should be near future. Try to finish them within 3 days for freshness. If you have to reuse your spatula, just wipe it off with a clean paper towel. Now introducing extra liquid will help it to preserve it for a longer time. And here is our blueberry mixture. Alright, I'm drooling already because it smells so good. Let's give it a little taste. It's so fresh, so delicious, sweet, soft, everything. And so next, we're gonna make a very simple yogurt parfait with the main ingredient of the strawberry mixture. Alright, here is a small bowl of whole milk yogurt, about 100 grams. Let's add in our strawberry mixture, which is about 1.5 tablespoons. Add some almond chips. The accuracy is not the key here, so just add as much as you would prefer. Here is about, I would say 15 grams by eyeballing. And if you have additional chopped strawberries, use them as a topping. Since we also have blueberries, we'll just also put some blueberries on the top. And there we have a beautiful bowl of low carb, super delicious yogurt parfait. I hope you like my idea of converting or improving regular recipes to the low-carb, keto-friendly version. And if you like our video, please do show your like by pressing that like button. And also comment in the comment section if you have other inspiration or creative ideas of making such healthy, delicious snacks. See you next time.